Have you ever wondered why NVIDIA is such a big name in the tech world? Why are they always at the forefront when it comes to the latest technology? Well, it's because NVIDIA has become the king of the chip market, especially when it comes to AI, artificial intelligence, chips. In this video, we will dive into how NVIDIA reached the top, the impact of their technology, and why their dominance is nearly impossible to challenge. Before we start, kindly like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell to stay tuned. Done? Now let's get started. Early beginnings and vision. NVIDIA's journey began in 1993 when it was founded by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Preem. They had a vision to revolutionize the graphics processing unit, GPU market. Jensen Huang, the current CEO, always had a keen eye on the future. He predicted the rise of AI long before it became mainstream. Back in 2006, NVIDIA introduced CUDA, a parallel computing platform and programming model. CUDA allowed developers to use NVIDIA GPUs for general-purpose processing. This was a significant step because it enabled GPUs to perform complex calculations beyond just graphics rendering. This innovation laid the groundwork for NVIDIA's future dominance in AI. The rise of AI and generative AI. AI technology has been around for a while, but it gained massive attention. With the advent of generative AI, I can create new content, like text, images, and even music. OpenAI's ChatGPT, launched in late 2022, is a prime example. Companies saw the potential of generative AI and began integrating it into their operations. NVIDIA was ready. Their GPUs were perfectly suited for the heavy processing needs of AI workloads. The demand for NVIDIA's AI chips skyrocketed. By 2023, NVIDIA held about 90% of the data center AI GPU chip market and around 80% of the overall data center AI chip market. This dominance was due to their advanced technology and years of head start. NVIDIA's financial success. NVIDIA's financial growth has been nothing short of spectacular. For 3 consecutive quarters, their revenue and adjusted earnings per share, EPS, grew by triple-digit percentages. In the fiscal first quarter of 2024, NVIDIA's stock soared by 82.5%, making it the second-best performer on the S&P 500 index. For the quarter ending in April 2024, NVIDIA projected their top and bottom lines to surge by 234% and 396%, respectively, year over year. This impressive growth was driven by the high demand for their AI chips. NVIDIA's stock gains and financial performance have made them a favorite among investors. The Virtuous Circle. NVIDIA's success is not just due to their advanced technology. They have created a virtuous circle, which means their success leads to more success. Here's how it works. NVIDIA's GPUs are popular because they are powerful and efficient. This popularity attracts more developers to use their platform. Currently, over 4.7 million developers worldwide use NVIDIA's CUDA and other software tools. These developers create applications and solutions that further enhance NVIDIA's ecosystem. The more applications developed, the more attractive NVIDIA's GPUs become. This cycle keeps repeating, making it hard for competitors to catch up. NVIDIA's comprehensive ecosystem. NVIDIA's ecosystem is not just about hardware. They offer a complete package, including hardware, software, cloud services, and even AI supercomputers. For instance, NVIDIA's DGX AI supercomputers are used by many organizations for AI research and development. In 2017, NVIDIA started selling complete systems designed specifically for AI tasks. These systems include thousands of GPUs, proprietary networking technology, and advanced software. Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and Amazon are among NVIDIA's biggest customers. Even Tesla uses NVIDIA GPUs for autonomous driving technology. The H100 AI chip. In 2023, NVIDIA introduced the H100 AI chip, the successor to the A100 chip. The H100 is up to 9 times faster for AI training and 30 times faster for inference compared to the A100. The high performance of the H100 chip has made it a crucial component for developing large AI models. However, the demand for the H100 is so high that NVIDIA can only meet about half of it. The chip is priced between $15,000 and over $40,000, depending on the configuration. Despite the high price, The H100 is in such demand that it sells for double its original price in some cases. Challenges and competitors. While NVIDIA dominates the AI chip market, they are not without challenges. Competitors like Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, and Intel are also in the race. AMD's M1300X chip is seen as a potential rival to NVIDIA's offerings. However, NVIDIA's head start and comprehensive ecosystem give them a significant advantage. Even with supply shortages, NVIDIA continues to innovate and expand its market presence. Their ability to stay ahead of the competition is a testament to their strong leadership and vision. Expanding beyond AI, NVIDIA's influence extends beyond just AI and technology. Their GPUs are used in various industries, including healthcare, automotive, gaming, and more. For instance, NVIDIA chips are used in virtual reality headsets and medical imaging systems. While NVIDIA's dominance in the AI chip market is well known, their influence extends far beyond AI. They have made significant strides in other areas like gaming, autonomous vehicles, and data centers. NVIDIA's GPUs are the backbone of the gaming industry, powering high-end gaming PCs and consoles. The GeForce RTX series, with its real-time ray tracing capabilities, has revolutionized the gaming experience, offering unparalleled graphics and performance. In the automotive sector, NVIDIA's drive platform provides the computational power needed for autonomous vehicles. Companies like Tesla, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi utilize NVIDIA's technology to develop self-driving cars. NVIDIA's contributions are not just about hardware. Their Drive software suite includes tools for simulation, data analysis, and machine learning, making it a comprehensive solution for the automotive industry. Data centers and cloud computing. NVIDIA's impact on data centers and cloud computing is profound. Their GPUs are essential for running large-scale data centers that support cloud services. NVIDIA's acquisition of Mellanox in 2019 for $6.9 billion strengthened their position in this market. Mellanox's high-performance networking technology complements NVIDIA's GPUs, providing faster data transfer rates and improved efficiency. Major cloud service providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud use NVIDIA's GPUs to power their AI and machine learning services. NVIDIA's A100 and H100 GPUs are designed to handle the demanding workloads of these data centers, offering unmatched performance and scalability. Partnerships and collaborations. NVIDIA's success is also attributed to its strategic partnerships and collaborations. They work closely with leading tech companies, research institutions, and universities to advance AI and other technologies. NVIDIA's partnership with OpenAI is a prime example. OpenAI uses NVIDIA's GPUs to train their AI models, including the renowned GPT-3 and ChatGPT. NVIDIA's collaborations extend to the healthcare industry as well. They partner with hospitals and research organizations to develop AI-powered medical imaging systems and diagnostic tools. For example, NVIDIA's Clara platform provides healthcare professionals with AI tools to analyze medical images, detect anomalies, and improve patient outcomes. Sustainability and environmental impact. As a tech giant, NVIDIA is also committed to sustainability and reducing its environmental footprint. They have implemented various initiatives to achieve this goal. NVIDIA's GPUs are designed to be energy efficient, reducing power consumption while maintaining high performance. They are also working on developing more sustainable manufacturing processes and sourcing materials responsibly. NVIDIA's commitment to sustainability is reflected in their corporate social responsibility (CSR) programs. They actively support environmental conservation projects and invest in renewable energy sources. NVIDIA's headquarters in Santa Clara, California, is powered by renewable energy, showcasing their dedication to a greener future. Research and development. Innovation is at the heart of NVIDIA's success, and their investment in research and development, R&D, is a testament to this. NVIDIA consistently allocates a significant portion of its revenue to R&D, ensuring they stay ahead of the competition. In the fiscal year 2023, NVIDIA invested over $5 billion in R&D, focusing on AI, deep learning, and advanced GPU technologies. NVIDIA's R&D efforts have resulted in numerous breakthroughs, such as the development of the Tensor Core architecture, which powers their AI GPUs. Tensor cores are specialized processing units designed to accelerate AI computations, making NVIDIA's GPUs the preferred choice for AI researchers and developers. Challenges and opportunities. Despite their dominance, NVIDIA faces challenges in maintaining its market leadership. Supply chain disruptions, geopolitical tensions, and competition from other tech giants like AMD and Intel are significant hurdles. However, NVIDIA's strong market position, technological advancements, and strategic vision equip them to navigate these challenges effectively. NVIDIA also sees opportunities in emerging markets like edge computing and the Internet of Things, IoT. Edge computing brings data processing closer to the source, reducing latency and improving efficiency. NVIDIA's Jetson platform is designed for edge AI applications, enabling smart devices to perform complex tasks locally. What's next for NVIDIA? The future looks promising for NVIDIA. As AI continues to evolve and integrate into various industries, the demand for NVIDIA's GPUs and technology will only increase. NVIDIA's roadmap includes developing even more powerful GPUs, expanding their software ecosystem, and exploring new markets. NVIDIA's recent acquisition of ARM Holdings, a leading semiconductor company, is expected to further bolster their market position. ARM's technology complements NVIDIA's GPU capabilities, opening up new possibilities for AI, data centers, and mobile computing. As we move towards a future driven by AI and digital transformation, NVIDIA's role will be more critical than ever. What's your take on NVIDIA's future? Do you think they will continue to dominate the tech industry? Share your thoughts in below. If you like this video, kindly click the like button. Join the discussion about the NVIDIA and their dominance in the chip market in the comments section and subscribe to get more updates like this.